Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to contact WeChat Pay Help Center for any WeChat wallet or any WeChat related issue to get help fast. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Go ahead and click on Me. Go ahead and click on Pay and Services. Go ahead and click on Wallet. Go ahead and click on Customer Service Center. Go ahead and click on Consumer Protection. Go ahead and click on Help Center. So here you go. You have WeChat Pay customer service contact for Chinese mainland and for region outside Chinese mainland, which is international WeChat Pay user. So you can reach them with this, or if you are in Chinese mainland, you can reach them with this particular contact right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.